Ayun. So, tingnan natin yung transaction. So, napakabilis lang nung transfer no, from Lazada to GCash. So, makikita nyo, no, na-withdraw natin yung 2,700 from Lazada to GCash.
At heto na ang ating GCash giveaway winners. Ganito lang kadali sumali sa ating GCash giveaway. I-like, mag-subscribe at mag-comment lang kung bakit ikaw ang dapat manalo ng ating GCash giveaway.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back dito sa ating channel. And today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-transfer ng money mula Lazada to our GCash. So as you can see, nasa Lazada application ako. Ang goal natin is to transfer our money from Lazada to GCash. Kung i-scroll ko to sa baba, makikita nyo dito yung Lazada wallet natin. Meron akong 2,700. So ang gagawin natin is to transfer this 2,700 patungong GCash. So ganito lang ang gagawin natin para ma-transfer natin yung pera natin mula Lazada to GCash. First, click lang natin yan. And maglo-load itong Lazada wallet. Nakikita nyo, meron ko 2,700. So now, ang gagawin natin ay kailangan natin i-withdraw yan. So gusto ko siyang mailabas. Instead, maibili ko dito sa Lazada. Alright, so meron kasi nag-transfer sa akin ng 2,700. And ang gagawin ko naman, i-transfer ko sa GCash ko kasi mas preferred ko talaga nandun yung aking pera. Mas madali siyang i-access. So, try natin i-click yung wallet na yan. At makikita nyo ito yung balance natin. So, press natin yung withdraw. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, please fully verify your wallet account before proceeding. Okay, so kailangan natin siyang i-verify yung wallet natin. Click natin yung ganyan. And syempre, sabi dito sa Lazada application, verify your identity. Your information is confidential and secured by Lazada. Yung i-upload ko dito guys, no, i-blur ko na lang for my security reason. So, ang gagawin natin is i-upload ko yung aking PhilSys ID para ma-verify na tayo talaga yung user or yung may-ari nito Lazada. So, hopefully tumama. Next is to take selfie. So, ganyan lang. I-blink ka lang para ma-verify niya lang na totoo kang tao. Okay. So, review this complete and ensure your personal information is accurate. Check natin kung tama yung aking details. So, tama naman. Naka-blur lang yung mga important information, guys, para syempre for my security reason or purposes of. So, press na natin yung submit. Yan. Account verification in progress. Verification is being processed. You will be notified by Lazada app. Push once the verification is completed. So, press natin yung got it. And hintayin natin ma-approve tayo. So, pero press pa rin natin yung withdraw. Ayan. Alright. So, click natin. So, proceed. Okay. So, still account verification in progress. Babalikan ko kayo guys kung naging na-approve na yung aking account dito sa Lazada, then continue natin yung transfer from Lazada to GCash. So yun guys, ito yung continuation nating video, no. So yesterday, ang ginawa natin ay pina-approve natin yung ID natin dito sa Lazada para maging naki-KYC na siya or know your client. So para ma-withdraw natin yung GCash, kailangan natin gawin yung procedure na yun. Now, balikan natin yung e-wallet natin dito sa Lazada. So nakikita nyo, meron pa rin akong 2,700 dyan. Press ko lang yan. Okay, press ko lang. And makikita naman natin dyan na may wallet natin no, nasa 2,700. Click natin ulit dyan. Okay. So, try natin withdraw kung na-approve na tayo. So, hopefully na-approve na, no? So, 1 free withdrawal per week, then 5 pesos transaction fee. Sorry. Okay, press natin proceed. And click natin yung withdraw account. Siyempre yung e-wallet natin, hanapin natin yung GCash, search na lang natin para mabilis. Okay. So yung GCash. At ilagay natin yung number. So i-blur ko na lang mga kaibigan yung name ko pati yung account number. Alright. So add bank account. Successfully added. And syempre, withdraw ko na yung 2,700. Since free naman daw yung first withdrawal every week. So, transaction fee, na-cancel siya. Okay, press natin continue. Okay, withdrawal amount, 2,700. Transaction fee, 0. Okay, amount to receive, 2,700. At yung bank natin is GCash. Pag ginanap yung account number nyo, ay yun yung number nyo na na-register nyo sa GCash. Confirm withdraw. Okay. To protect your account security, we need to verify your identity. Please choose a way to verify. Okay, pwede naman mobile verification, send via SMS. So yun guys, no, pumasok na yung ating 6-digit code. At i-encode na lang natin. Basahin ko lang kung saan pumasok. Okay, so send dito sa ating number. Papasok lang, no? So 715-715-928. So verify code. And tingnan natin yung withdraw result. So withdrawal amount is 2,700. Nakita nyo naman sa screen natin, pumasok. At request approval, request verification. This process may take up to 3 business days according to application. So check na lang din natin. So ngayon is July 4. Tingnan natin kung pumasok siya. In case na hindi pumasok, ibig sabihin may panibagong part na naman itong video na to. Pero syempre, ipapackage ko na rin to. I-edit ko na lang para mabuo siya. So July 24 ngayon. So fully pumasok siya. So yun na. Request verification, request approval. So okay natin. And na 0 na tayo. So verify yung request. And try natin kung pumasok. So kung na-approve na yan o naging successful, mapupunta yan sa GCash natin. So, tignan natin kung may pumasok. So, real-time to guys, kung makikita natin. Real-time tong ating checking ng pag-withdraw natin from Lazada to GCash. Ayun. So, tingnan natin transaction. So, napakabilis lang nung transfer from Lazada to GCash. So, makikita nyo, no, na-withdraw natin yung 2,700 from Lazada to GCash. Ayun guys, no. Kung may bago kayo natutunan dito sa ating video, please like, share, and subscribe. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.